Hello, and we're back with the second round of JQuery, getting JQuery into the page. So I've got a very similar HTML document and server set up to my previous iteration over here. If we look at this, my index.js is very straightforward. I just have a simple Express server where I'm running a HBS for my templating engine. When a user lands on the page, I'm going to render this index.hbs that's located inside the views folder. If I take a look at this document over here, it's going to look very similar. I'm going to open up my website right now, and I'm going to see, again, hello world, and a press me button. I can inspect these guys, and I can see that there's a paragraph over here of IDP main, and I have a button. ID is button, and the type is the button. These are all sitting inside of a div. If I were to view the source, again, Control U on Windows, notice that this button does not have an on-click listener assigned into it. So if we're going to have any interaction coming from this button, I'm going to have to assign it programmatically. So that's what we're going to do down here. We're going to do JQuery. We're going to use JQuery to assign the programmatic interaction this time. Again, I'm loading in my script from the CDN. This is downloaded from the internet. I have a normal script down here that's of type JavaScript. This should look a bit familiar. And again, I'm going to use this namespace, $#button. This is document.getElementById btn. So it's grabbing this button by his ID. Again, IDs are used for JavaScript. And we're saying the click. Okay, so when click, this is the click event. I'm assigning the onClick event to this button to be the anonymous function that's defined right here. So I can see function over here. Okay, this doesn't take in any arguments. And what he's going to do is this anonymous function is going to be assigned to the click event of the button. This anonymous function does one thing. So if we can look inside of here now, I'm going to use the $sign namespace again, and it's going to say #pmain, which is equivalent to document.getElementById p-main. So our main paragraph up here, which is saying hello world. His text is going to be reassigned to say hello from jQuery. So what happens? This page loads. As the page is loading, the script is downloaded. After the script downloads, our script that's inline runs. This script, this $sign namespace runs right away. So it's good that we have included jQuery before we've run this. Otherwise, we're going to get things like, hey, $sign is not defined. So the script, the namespace is loaded. I have a $sign. I'm going to assign the button clicks, the button's onClick function at page load time. And I would argue that if we went over here right now and I press the button, shaboom, hello from jQuery.